Ready na ba tayo for 5G smartphones? Hey Unbox fam, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia and I got my hands on the Realme X50 5G. Now, ano ba yung special sa phone na to aside from, well, 5G connectivity? Let's find out. Pero bago yan, sa mga nalungkot na hindi nanalo ng Samsung Galaxy A71, don't worry, as promised, we have another giveaway. So break muna tayo from smartphones. This is a 19-inch TV from Xtreme and it can be yours. So all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Plus, follow the entire tech mob, guys. Let's support Filipino content creators. I will leave the link of everyone in the description box below. And yeah, lahat na rin ng instructions. So make sure na sundin nyo, guys, para valid yung entry nyo. Good luck, fam! Okay, so now let's talk about the Realme X50 5G. As of making this video, wala pang official Philippine pricing, but when we checked Lazada, yung mga sellers doon priced it around 22,000 to 25,000 pesos. But again, guys, hindi pa to official. We'll let you know as soon as we hear from Realme Philippines. Nagulat ako when I opened the box because the phone looks really premium. As in, mukha siyang mamahalin, fam. We have the Glacier Blue color variant and I like how the color is not boring but it's not very loud either. So, saktong social lang. It feels good in the hand with just the right weight. Kasi minsan pag sobrang gaan ng smartphone, feeling ko hindi siya matibay. Or pag sobrang bigat naman, well, nobody really wants that. Plus, the curves are just right so you get a good grip. Ang nakakatuwa din is, considering na glossy yung back niya, it's not so much of a fingerprint magnet. I mean, meron pa rin here and there, but it's not as bad as I expected. For the screen, it has a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus LCD display. It performs as expected. The details are pretty sharp, colors are punchy and vivid, but what makes the display special is you have the option of changing the refresh rate to 120 Hz. So when you do choose that setting, the experience is super smooth. It has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection and it also has a pre-installed screen protector. Now on the left side of the device, you'll see a punch hole with a dual camera setup, but mamaya na natin pag-usapan yan. Powering the device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor with 6, 8, or 12 gigs of RAM and either 128 or 256 gigs of storage. What we have is the 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage variant. Unfortunately, guys, hindi na siya expandable via microSD. Now, the processor does pretty well. You can multitask, do your usual social media postings, and it can even handle some gaming. It runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7 on top. As for the cameras, you get 4 at the back, a 64-megapixel main shooter with an aperture of f1.8, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with an aperture of f3.0, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an aperture of f2.3, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter with an aperture of f2.4. For the dual front cameras, you get 16-megapixel primary shooter and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. We haven't really had a lot of time with the phone, so we haven't checked how the cameras perform under different lighting conditions, but here are some shots we took, so let me know what you think. The Realme X50 has a 4200 mAh battery with 30-watt VOOC charging, and that should be more than enough to last you the whole day. So, other things you may want to know about the phone: the volume rocker is on the left, on top you have a mic, at the bottom you have the SIM tray, another mic, the USB-C port, and the speakers, and on the right you have the power button that also serves as a fingerprint scanner. So from my experience, it unlocks the phone fast and accurately. So fam, you may have noticed that there's no 3.5mm jack, so you may opt for wireless earphones. Good thing marami na namang affordable ngayon. Or you can use the speakers, which by the way sound pretty good. Sabi nga sa box, the Realme X50 is a 5G phone, but there's so much more to it than that. It has a pretty cool design, quad cameras, big battery, decent internals, and a screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Honestly, fam, while I think that it's cool that this phone is already 5G ready, it's actually the other features that would make me consider getting it at the moment. I know that our telcos are working hard to make 5G available to us as soon as possible, pero syempre, the rollout may take time. However, if you're the type who would hold on to your phone for as long as possible, meaning hindi ka madalas magpalit, then you may want to future-proof yourself with this device because at least when 5G becomes ready for all of us, then you already have a 5G phone and you don't have to buy a new one. Just my thoughts. So fam, anong tingin nyo sa Realme X50? Would you consider it if or when it becomes available in the Philippines? Let me know in the comment section. Actually, that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye!